Here we go. Lights are off. Final race of the night. 20 laps, 22 cars. Hold on to your pants. It's showtime for the factory stocks here at Tulsa Speedway. We're green. Travis Crawford leads the field of madness into 1 and 2. Shawn Brownlee quickly challenging. Oh, already we got one stopped at the bottom of 2. And we're green now. Travis Crawford leads us going into 1 and 2. Once again, good start for Crawford. Crawford leading down the back straightaway. Here comes the number 10 of Brandon Jarvis looking to go inside. The 41 of Shawn Brownlee for second. Jarvis right there to the inside of Brownlee. Side by side out of 2 down the back straightaway. Brownlee with a better run on the outside. And lap number 1, Travis Crawford will lead us. Crawford, your leader. And the J4, Jim Keene 360 at the bottom of 3 and 4. Bringing up the cloud of dust in the infield. Yellow coming out for the J4 of Jim Keene. Those top 5 guys, I can promise you any one of them are a hand to win. We'll see. 19 laps remaining. Who's it going to be? Travis Crawford with a great restart, getting away from Brownlee and Jarvis. Jarvis getting around Brownlee. Now Brandon Jarvis running down the 14 of Travis Crawford. BJ looking to go outside, now crosses him up underneath for the lead. Didn't stick out for him. BJ able to put that car anywhere he needs to go. Running top into 1, diamonds it off out of 2, runs it down the hill for a quicker line. He'll do the same thing, going to 3, puts it up the hill, going up, and now he'll shoot off of the hill on the inside out of 4. Now he's going outside for the lead in, yellow bottom of 2 yet again. This time we got 2 more. And we're back green. Travis Crawford with a good point of the lead. Shawn Brownlee trying to get up to the number 10 of Brandon Jarvis. Jarvis getting away from Brownlee for second. Field getting kind of strung apart. And now we should have nothing but good racing. Here's the 14T Tommy Lawley looking to go inside of 420 Garrison. And Lawley got held up and he fell back. Now the J4 Jim Keene going to go inside of Tommy Lawley for the 10th spot. Keene got on the inside, and oh, Wasserman in turn 2 yet again on the bottom. Turn 2 strikes another one. Another one bites the dust. 4 complete. Travis Crawford, your leader. Shawn Brownlee, Brandon Jarvis, Ricky Bledsaw, Chris Hewitt, and out of 4, we're back underway. Crawford once again with a nice run for the lead, going into 1 and 2, quickly getting away from the field of madness. Brownlee looking to go inside of Jarvis. They made a little bit of contact, traded paint down the back straightaway. Also right behind, 2 wide for second. For 5th, pardon me. And oh man, all trouble, kinds of trouble on the front stretch. Matt Rowe and Derek Arnett turned it sideways, and Matt Rowe was able to save it. Arnett held it up, and that could have gone real bad real quick. Good sportsmanship out of those 2. Travis Crawford still leading. Brandon Jarvis, Shawn Brownlee, Ricky Bledsaw, Chris Hewitt, Matt Rowe, Houston Garrison. Now Jim Keene and Timothy Roberts go side by side. And momentarily 3 wide into 1 and 2. Keene on the bottom, and here comes Tommy Lawley. Now he's going side by side with Timothy Roberts. All going toe to toe for the 8th spot. Keen on the bottom, 3 wide out of 4. Lolly on the bottom. Keen, oh man, 3 wide. I don't even know which one to look at. Lolly almost fell to it. Arnett slid it up in front of Roberts. And now Derek Arnett pulls off to the infield. And now challenging Travis Crawford, putting a car a lap down. Jarvis also putting him a lap down. Jarvis trying to get up underneath Crawford for the lead. Upcoming lap number 9. And Double D at the bottom of 2. Just ever so slightly into the racing groove, so we got to bring the yellow out for Double D. Then it'll be Blake Hansen, Justin Robotham, and then Double D rounding him out at the tail. And out of 4, we're back green. 12 laps remaining for Travis Crawford. He's led every lap thus far. Can he hold off for 12 more trips around the Osage Casino and Hotel Tulsa Speedway? Matt Rowe looking to go inside H2 of Hewitt for the 5th spot, side by side in 3 and 4 on the bottom. Didn't stick for him. He was able to get away on the outside. Now Ricky Bledsaw trying 3rd of the 41. Ricky Bledsaw, he fell back as well. And now challenging for the lead, the number 10 of Brandon Jarvis, halfway. Jarvis right there on the bumper for the lead, looking to go outside, and Crawford into 1 and 2. Crawford on the bottom, Jarvis outside. Down the back straightaway. And oh, Dustin Robotham out of 4, getting really sideways. It goes to the infield, gets back on the track right in front of the leaders. They're side by side at the line, going 3 wide with the lap car. Oh my, Jarvis on the bottom. The lap car gets into Jarvis. Oh my, Jarvis kept it going, still side by side down the back straightaway. But we'll have to bring the yellow for the 77X of Dustin Robotham. Man, that was just getting fired up. Essentially, get 2 for 1 half-price foods at the concession stand. And we're back green. Travis Crawford leads them. Crawford leading down the back straightaway, getting away from Brandon Jarvis. Crawford on the bottom, Brandon Jarvis on the outside. As we got one up in smoke going down the back straightaway. And it looks like we got some debris on the track, so yellow coming out. Lights out. Travis Crawford leads us out of 4. Jarvis, Brownlee, and here we go. Let's see, 9 laps remaining. Crawford running midway. Jarvis looking to go. High side in 1, bottoms it out of 2, down the back straightaway. Crawford running on the bottom in 3 and 4. Jarvis looking to go to the outside, and he really leaned it up out of 4. Now Matt Rowe slides it up on Bledsaw in the 4th spot down the front straightaway. Once again, the 77X of Dustin Robotham, that car is just really upset. As now he's really having trouble in 3 and 4, and here come the leaders. Oh boy, hopefully we don't have a repeat of last time where he got into the leaders. Travis Crawford sees him in his sights. Let's see what'll happen. Robotham getting really squirmish out of 4. Crawford held up. Here comes Jarvis. Jarvis going to try to capitalize for the lead. The lap car of Dustin right there in front. Let's see. Robotham slid it up the track. Here comes Crawford to the inside. Oh, Dustin also tried to diamond it off to the bottom. Jarvis got around. Leader's getting around the lap car, put him a lap down. Now Brownlee going to have to try and do the same down the front straightaway. Brownlee looking to go to the bottom. He put him a lap down now. Top 3 cars putting him a lap down. Down the back straightaway, Travis Crawford. Brandon Jarvis. Jarvis going all out, leading it in 3 and 4. Travis Crawford smooth sailing on the bottom. Brandon Jarvis trying to reel him back in down the back straightaway. And oh, turn 2, Chris Hewitt saved it. got back to the infield, kept it going. Brandon Jarvis still doing all he can to run down leader Travis Crawford. Lap traffic once again looming for your leader. Crawford gonna have to go to the outside as the lap car right there on the bottom as he's going up in smoke. He pulls off to the infield. Brandon Jarvis not able to make anything of it. Going to 3 and 4. White flag one more time around for Travis Crawford. It's now or never for Brandon Jarvis. Crawford lap traffic right in front. BJ gonna try to make a run down the back straightaway, but it's not gonna stick. Travis Crawford smooth sailing into 3 and 4. And he's gonna shamboozle his way to victory lane. Travis Crawford wins it at Tulsa, followed by BJ Brandon Jarvis. Shawn Brownlee, third, Matt Rowe. Fourth, it's gonna be the J4 Jim Keene, Ricky Bledsaw, Houston Garrison, Chris Hewitt. Double D, Dwayne Davis, Zoe Hyde, Blake Hansen, and Dustin Robotham rounding him out at the tail. So, checkered flag, Travis Crawford, your factory stock feature winner.